Cypher is the world's first decentralized, ultra-secure team collaboration platform. It's all based on an open standard called messaging layers.
If they get it free for a year, it costs us absolutely nothing. We're not doing the hosting. They're hosting it on their own website. So it has zero cost to us. And at the end of the year, they're probably going to renew it, which means giving them a 1 year free subscription makes us $480 next year and every year thereafter.
COPD, we expect you to be seen within 3 days by somebody who can review your meds, make sure that everything is okay. Because if you're not seen within those 3 days, the likelihood that you miss your meds and something really bad happens and you come back to the hospital is very, very high.